Hey everyone, welcome to CryptoReality. Please be advised that I'm not your financial advisor, and everything I'm gonna say here is based on the chart. It's been a while since my last post, but my prediction happened. Okay, and now, just like I've told you, I'm gonna get you updated when this happened, and it happened. So, right now, looking at this chart, looking all the same patterns right here. So you all can see this to this one, right? So what I'm expecting here is to see some bearish divergence in your US dollar dominance. As you all can see, this one is going up. It can go up literally more higher than this one. Okay, maybe something like that. And your RSI is going bearish like that. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting right there. So maybe it may go consolidate here and pump some more, or like that, then going down. Okay, so everything happened in a big crush. Let's go. XRP near my targets, this 0.95 to 0.96 target. It could be this bottom, but I'm telling you, the dead cross hasn't happened yet. So as you all can see, okay, let me hide this one. I'm waiting for this blue line crossing this red line, so I can tell that the bottom is in. Okay, so right before in your eyes, I can tell that maybe we still have some consolidation here, or even touching this 0.95 area before it literally crosses like that, and then consolidate for months or a month before some relief rally, or maybe some rally by July, and then consolidate again and then dump for the rest of the years, just like it did in the past. Okay, so what's my technical about that is, of course, the past move of XRP. Look at this dead cross here. You have the bottoms here, okay, and then we go up. This is one is a relief rally, and then eventually we go down and consolidate for a year, for no, maybe months. I'm sorry, not a year, but months. So that's just my idea here for XRP. I know some people are shifting from XRP to XLM because of that good news. Yeah, but I'm still a big fan of XRP. So looking at this XLM, what a nice pump because of nice good news for it, but eventually it goes down again. And maybe I was just thinking some very bad thing happened to XLM. I'm not saying we're going lower, but maybe we could complete this ABC correction, or this is, look, I'm sorry, let's just look this one, our time frame. Look at this. This is a bullish pennant right here. So I won't be surprised if this pumps because of the FOMO of those people, right? If it pumps right here, this is a breakout, we can see something like this. It will pump around the 0.26 27 area, which we coincide to this resistance right here. Then okay, going to the higher time frame, let's go on the daily. Maybe we can create some ABC correction right here. Okay, maybe we can create some, this is your A, this is your B, this is your C. Okay, maybe we can touch all the way down this low levels right here for excellent. That's just my idea. Or maybe we can continue to go up if some good news again, but I don't think so. It's still my idea that maybe it will touch this 0.147. Okay, So that's my idea for XLM. Looking at this Bitcoin chart right here, okay, this is just so simple, right? I've already explaining this in my past videos. I hope you watched that. But looking at this weekly time frame for Bitcoin, I am seeing some inverse head and shoulders in your RSI. Look at this. Yeah, I hope you see that too. Okay, so this is inverse head and shoulders. So sorry for the small screen here. Yeah, like, so maybe we can see some rally here or consolidation first in a few weeks before it literally try to move like this. Yeah, that's just my idea here for Bitcoin, you know, because a lot of FUD are going to scream in your YouTubes. Some telling you that it will go to zero, going more lower, or even lower. Yeah, it is possible. But still, my technicals is telling me that Bitcoin may go to 54 to 52,000 level area. Right there. Okay? It may go lower like that. Okay? But I don't think it will go lower below 50,000. Maybe 49 if it's so bearish, you know. So, looking at the other token, let's go for SUI token. How can I measure this move? How will I measure this move? Okay, let me tell you this. Let me show you this. Okay, maybe this parallel channel right here is good. Look at that. Okay, look at that thing. Okay, so I'm getting those. So I'm getting this high right here. Okay, so and then going it to the breakout candle and boom. I'm saying that SUI may go as low as this 0.58 level, which will represents this support right here and support right here and then support right here. So that's just my idea that SUI may bottom to 0.58. The bottom is near, guys. That's just my idea here. Okay, going on HBAR. Yeah, these is just my favorite tokens that I'm showing you. So if you want something else, please go and tell it to the comments. So looking at this chart right here for HBAR. Okay, this is just my another idea here. Okay, look at this. So what my idea for HBAR is, maybe it will go lower like this. Okay, 0.06, maybe it will go down there because it's the measured move of this triangle, which will be supported by this previous resistance right here, and then a support here, and then resistance right over here. Okay, that's just my idea for HBAR. Before maybe we can see some relief rally. So let's go on Algorand. Okay, Algorand. I don't know if you believe in this one, but I do. Look at the lower time frame here, maybe the daily chart right here. You see some I don't know if this is a head and shoulder or this pan onto you, but if you see some measured move right here, let's do it. Okay, this is your breakout candle, and then yeah, maybe we can see some another low to this 0.079 US dollar, which will go back to its previous support. Okay, I don't know if you can manage this one, but yeah, there 0.08 I guess. So Going to others like what? Solana. Okay. Okay, Solana is been on this support line right here. Okay, maybe I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, so drawing on Solana right here. Yep, maybe you can see some double top here. Okay, so let's do maybe some measured move here. Okay, so just like that, you see, maybe this one is the bottom for Solana, or maybe even lower. Okay, just like that. Okay, okay, I'm gonna see about that, huh? Maybe this $58.83 is your bottom for Solana, as it is your previous resistance right here. Okay, breakout right here. Or it can go lower if some bad news will happen. Of course, it could go lower like this, right there, at your $52 mark. Alongside with that, maybe we can connect this stuff right there. Okay, so this one could be your support trend line right here, so we can go all the way down here before it tries to come back up. Okay, sorry for those drawings, it's so hard to show you in the phone. So what other tokens could possibly show you? Oh, maybe XDC. Yeah, I still believe some good thing for XDC right here. Okay, this chart looks like this chart. Okay, the previous one. So you can see here it's consolidation thing. We are on the oversold territory. This is a weekly time frame, by the way, and you see this red sign here, meaning it's very very oversold. So we can continue like here, and then maybe some pump right here, just like we did here. Okay, I hope it helps to you guys, or maybe not, I don't know, but I just want you to show my insights here. So please be advised to take care of yourself, focus on yourself, don't just listen to others, study the charts, don't listen to the noise, don't get FUD, don't get FOMO. Just listen, plan your trades, and then trade your plans. Okay, God bless and good luck to us. Bye bye.